as you can see, we're just adding this flashing that goes all the way around. It's the first time we're putting it on, so it's going to take a little bit longer today than it's going to be when we're doing this more at scale. So we have, I think, about 8 of these sections that we made, and they all go around. They all have to have a hole in them for this railing pipe post, and then we have little slots in here to because it's curved. So we made it with a straight piece, or actually I think it was curved already. It was already curved, but I guess the curve needed some flex in it, so they have slots cut in them. And we're going around and fastening them all, making it all look pretty. Yeah, this looks a lot nicer than it does when this is not on here. It looks, and it's got a very sharp edge to it, so this is much nicer like that. So before that flashing went on, it looks more like that, right? So it's not nearly as nice of an edge compared to when the finishing is on it. It's going to look pretty beautiful.